Namaste everyone, here I am going to solve some questions which are related to coordinate geometry. Section formula will be used here. Questions run like this. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. This question. Suppose this P and Q is a line segment joining the points -3, 10. Its coordinates are -3, 10 and its coordinates are 6, -8 is divided by this point, that is -1 and 6. Suppose here it will be R and this point is -1, 6, this point. Question 1, solution. Let the required ratio, we have to find the ratio, find the ratio. Let the required ratio is equal to K is to 1. It means if PR is K, then RQ is 1. Now here x1 is equal to -3, x2 is equal to 6, m is equal to k, n is equal to 1. Then with the help of section formula, this x coordinate -1 will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, implies that -1 is equal to m, that is k, into x2, that is 6, plus n, that is 1, into x1, that is -3 by k plus 1. When we do cross multiplication, then we have -1 into k plus 1, it will be equal to 6k minus 3. Implies that from this -k minus 1, it will be 6k minus 3, implies that -1 plus 3, that is 6k plus k, implies that 2 is equal to 7k. Hence, k is equal to 2 by 7. That is 2 is to 7. So, required ratio is 2 is to 7. Therefore, the required ratio is equal to 2 is to 7. Similarly, when we put y coordinate, even then we get the same value. Here y1 is equal to 10, y2 is equal to minus 8, m is equal to k, n is equal to 1. Then y coordinate, that is 6. 6 is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, implies that 6 is equal to m, that is k, y2, that is minus 8 plus n, that is 1, y1, that is 10 by k plus 1. Now by cross multiplication we have 6 into k plus 1, that is minus 8k plus 10 implies that 6k plus 6, it is equal to minus 8k plus 10, implies that 6k plus 8k is equal to 10 minus 6, implies that 6k plus 8k, that is 14k is equal to 4, implies that k is equal to 4 by 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, that is 2 by 7. Hence required ratio is equal to 2 is to 7. This is solution of first. Now second, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A, suppose this is A, its coordinates are 1 minus 5, and B, this is B, its coordinates are minus 4, 5, is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. Solution second. Suppose this will be like this R, and this is x-axis. Coordinate of a point lying on x-axis, that will be x. Its x coordinate is x, abscissa is x, and y coordinate, that is ordinate, that will be 0. Now here y1 is equal to minus 5, y2 is equal to 5, its y coordinate is 0, that is given. Find the ratio. Suppose ratio is k is to 1, m is equal to k, n is equal to 1. Then as its y coordinate is given 0, so I am going to find its value ratio with help of y coordinate. Y coordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, implies that 0 is equal to my2 m k y2 5 plus n 1 y1 minus 5 by m plus n k plus 1 implies that by cross multiplication this will give us 0 into k plus 1, that will be finally 0. Here 5k minus 5 implies that 0 is equal to 5k minus 5, implies that we bring this 5 in this side, then we have 5 is equal to 5k, implies that k is equal to 5 by 5, that is 1 by 1. This k is k by 1, hence required ratio is 1:1. Find the coordinates of the point of division. We have to find its coordinate. Y coordinate is given, that is 0. We have to find its x coordinate. Now ratio is obtained. That is 1. Here is also 1. Here x1 is 1, x2 is equal to minus 4, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. Then x coordinate, that is x, is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. It will be equal to m1 x2 minus 4 plus n1 into x1, that is also 1, by m plus n, 1 plus 1. It will be minus 4 plus 1 by 2. It is minus 3 by 2. So its coordinate will be minus 3 by 2 and 0. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.